Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Jasmine has met the technical target if you're watching these videos on my channel, and LUNC Classic is just about to get to the main technical target. So if you're looking at LUNC Classic right now, you do have a technical target up to 8,188, and so far we talked about these videos in the past as well. But what happened yesterday, or some maybe few days, yesterday basically. So what happened yesterday is we saw LUNC Classic making a very big wick, and it wasn't just LUNC Classic, it was Jasmine, it was Pepe. A lot of coins did make a stop loss hunt. So if you look at Jasmine, a lot of people had, LUNC Classic, one stop here, one stop there, one stop here, and probably the best stop was down here. So what you did is you flush out all the stop losses down here, take everyone out, and turn them a little bit bearish, because what happened is very tricky. This was a resistance right there. If you look at that resistance, you got rejected in this resistance, and when you got rejected at that resistance, you went to the downside, made the wick. People thought that this is a pure rejection and it's time to go bearish. And once you do that, it's just the old fake out textbook and stop loss hunting, where you saw a push to the upside. So this stop, when you turn bearish here, you put your stop loss here and the market flipped to the upside. So this is known as short and long liquidation. Short and long squeeze, not liquidation. It's a short and long squeeze. But eventually, do not be surprised, because this was already told to you that you have a big W pattern. And in yesterday's video, as I told you, this is your launch price over here, a move to the downside, a big W, a break to the upside, a retest, which is a fallback, and a successful retest, and your technical target is coming up here back to the launch price. Now, I am going to say one thing, that if you probably get rejected up to this zone, because that's where you have your next level of resistance. So this is where you have a resistance, but on a higher time frame pattern like the weekly, I still stand with the fact that if I go back to the logarithmic scale, you have a very beautiful falling wedge here. But one thing you have to understand, that I've already talked about this like 2 or 3 months ago, that this is your first wave down, second wave, third wave, fourth one, and the fifth one. When you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, just messed it up a little bit. But whatever, when you have fifth elite wave, 5 waves to the downside, you're looking for that A and that potential B, right? So the B can actually be down, and then finally go for the C and push to the moon, literally push to the moon. So if you look at LUNC Classic in the future doing something like move down, move up, this is an A correction right now, and it's actually working very perfectly well. So A correction, maybe a B correction in the future to the downside, and scare everybody else, literally scare everyone, and then go for the final C correction somewhere in the middle of 2024 and absolutely take off for a massive bull run and come up to the technical target of the falling wedge. Now, it's still not a guarantee that you're going to do that, because for some reason that ABC may have already happened. If you look at this is like your mini, very small A right there, and this could have been that big correction already. And this is actually the C that is taking off, and we may not see this coming down once again. So that's my thought on it. This does look like a very nice double bottom. Okay, so fifth wave down, A move up, B, C, right? Absolutely take off. And that's it for this quick update on LUNC Classic. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.